Did you know that there are nearly 2.5 million homeless children in America? And here's something else you may not realize, that just in our surrounding communities, there are poor, distressed, and underprivileged individuals that need relief, supplies, and support services. And though there seems to be many dedicated organizations that already assist them that you may have heard of, we realized in our hearts that the simple fact is the needs are greater than all those workers available. So we stepped forward to create a nonprofit corporation organized and operated exclusively for charitable purposes. We are Second Chance for Kids, and this is also the name of our program. We provide school supplies, clothing, playthings, and social services to underprivileged homeless children and adults. Our community-based programs make a difference to those we serve. Some of these programs are youth mentorship, training and technical assistance, the Anything Kids Club, healthy lifestyle fundraisers, childhood literacy advocacy, violence prevention, and through the combined efforts of our Off the Streets outreach team, our business partners, and community alliances, we directly serve over 4,000 families per month. At Second Chance for Kids, we will work with local rescue missions, community shelters, local churches, community youth centers, other well-known charities, and even local state and governmental agencies in expansive outreach into the community to provide the supplies to assist those in need. We do this in part through collecting supplies from an ever-growing network of friends, family, local school districts, local retailers, local churches, and local region-based hotels. We will also host corporate-sponsored fundraisers to solicit donations of supplies from the public. Many people ask us how they can help Second Chance for Kids. We have need for volunteers for our programs and would love to share the opportunities that are available. And we have need for donors where we earn and maintain their trust. Our commitment is to a no-pressure donor experience and full transparency. We find this is a key to a trusting relationship. So we invite you to get involved with Second Chance for Kids in some way. You can actively participate in our charity activities, and you can even get to know the families we support, or you can remain an anonymous superhero. We'd love to talk with you and answer any questions that you may have. So please pick up the phone and call us at area code 818-835-6602. You'll be happy you did. Call us now.